to another video. So in today's video, we are going to do a new subscription addiction that I have. Some of you guys know I do have BoxyCharm, I have Sephora Play, I've had the Macy's Beauty Box, and I ended up canceling that one, the Macy's Beauty Box. And I went ahead and I moved on to another one. So my first box that I had ever received was for the month of December. December was a very busy month for me, like work-wise, personal, holidays, everything. It was just so busy. So I didn't have time to unbox this box with you guys. So I wanted to go ahead and share it with you. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I am talking about this one right here. And this is the Allure Beauty Box. This one is for the month of December 2017. And I jumped on this one because I'm a huge fan of Jaclyn Hill. And I seen her snaps, I think it was in November, that she had partnered up with them. And she was the creator for this month's box for December 2017. So, you know, I had to support my girl. I had to go and subscribe to this one. So this is the first box that we are gonna unbox, and I will be also unboxing my Allure box for the month of January 2018. So let's see the comparison. I don't know if I will stick onto it or if I just might let go and cancel and move on to something else. But before I get started, I wanted to let you guys know, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to show me some love. Let me know if you're a new subby. I would love to give back love to you guys by subscribing to your channel as well. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and get started into unboxing this Allure Beauty Box made by Miss Jaclyn Hill, was the creator. So this is what the box looks like. It's really nice. You just pop up the lid. The first thing that is on here is gonna be a mini magazine with her picture in it, of course. And inside it does have like all the information of the products that are inside this box. This box does retail for $15, but if it's your first time box, it'll be $10. But then after that, it'll be $15 a month. So I paid $10 for this one alone. The next item that is on here is this little pamphlet, and it's like a $20 gift card for Bubble Bar. It's like an accessory line. I guess she really loves that a lot, so she included that in there. This is what the little box looks like. I'm afraid it might fall. It did. First item that fell off, my life is literally shattered at this moment right now, was this little Becca highlighter. It is the Champagne Pop highlighter, and guess what, you guys? It literally shattered. My life is shattered at this moment, but it's okay. I'll just press it with alcohol, no worries. We'll get this little item fixed. So this is a big love for me. I use this daily. I'm wearing it today. It's one of my favorite highlighters. The next item that is in here is this Dior Show mascara. So this is a really fancy mascara. I've never tried Dior because it is so damn expensive, but I'm excited to try this. I'm so happy that that is in the box because they are like fancier items. The next one is this Purity Philosophy. I think it's like a cleansing. I've never tried this. I think it's like a cleansing face wash. It might be really good. I've never tried it, so I'm excited to try that out. The next item is the Hourglass Mineral Veil. This is what it looks like. These are all like little sample sizes, but I know like the full size prices of these are like an arm and a leg. So I'm excited to try these out. The next item is this Oribe Matte Wave. So it's a texturizing lotion for the hair. This is what this looks like. And my favorite is this right here. This is a Morphe little brush. This one is the M433. I think I have this one already. She's a Morphe affiliate, so of course she was gonna include her favorite Morphe brush. I'm happy that I could add this onto my little Morphe collection that I have over here myself. And I think overall this box was awesome. All of the items that were in here are great. They're really good. I'm super excited to try them out. And of course, you know, if I like them, I'll purchase them. I don't know. They are more of a higher end type of item. So yeah, this was the box for Miss Jaclyn Hill, December 2017. Now, let's switch the story to January 2018. So this one was my first box, like I mentioned. And now, this is my second box, you guys. So I received this in the mail yesterday, and look what I got. Like this busted box. Maybe it got damaged when it was on its way over here to me. I'm thinking that's what it was. I don't think Allure would send me a damaged box, but this one I haven't peeked into or anything like that. As you guys can see, it comes with this little shrink wrap around it. That's how this one came in, but this one came in complete. This one was a 10. But this was the one for January, so let's just go ahead and give it the benefit of the doubt. It might be a good box. But let's see what it is. Let's see what's in here. So let me take out this busted ass lid. Completely broken. I think it just got smashed. I think that's just what it was. Yeah, pobrecito. So this is the mini Allure magazine that is in here. And of course, the same thing. It'll have all the information in here. I don't want to peek in there. This is what it looks like. All right, so let me just start digging in. So the first thing I see is this, and this is the one by Frederick Fakai. I don't know how you say that, but I'm pretty sure this is like a hair item. One and then some. It's a texturizing spray. So yeah, this is a hair item. I really don't use texturizing spray because my hair has a lot of texture, but I guess I could use it like as a dry shampoo for like my roots because I have colored hair. The next item that we got is This Works. I believe this is probably like a skincare item, and this is a mask, a moisturizer, and a primer in one. So it's like a 3-in-1. That's really cool. If that saves me time, like I'm all for it. So 3-in-1, that's really good. What is this? Oh my god. My box is totally damaged. This is a Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. You guys, look at this. Look at what they sent me. I need to call to see if they could send me a new box because I am pretty sure this is broken. I don't know. How do you do this? Is it a spray? I'm pretty sure it's spray. I don't know. But you guys are my witnesses. This is how I received this. So I might be canceling after this. Oh, a makeup item. Finally, a makeup item. So this is the Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte. This is in the color 105. Let's see. I think I've had this before. I think I got this, I think it was on my Sephora. It's a really pretty color. I'm totally digging the color. It's a really nice pale nude color. And the last item, oh my god, this box. You guys, this box was total fail. Look what I got. I think this is an eyeliner and it's broken into pieces. Oh, this is, I don't even know what brand this is because it's broken off. So is it Riddle? I don't know. But it looked like it was a really pretty, like maybe eyeliner or something like that. Oh, it's completely broken, you guys. Completely broken into little pieces. Like everything is shattered in this box. So I will definitely be giving them a call back so they could replace this box since I received it damaged. And I really wanted to try that eyeliner. It looked really pretty. So yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys liked this video. This box was like a 4 for me for the month of January because some of the items did look like they could be really good. So sad, but I'm gonna have to say goodbye to Allure. But I'm very happy and I'm very satisfied with the one from December. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. This is it. This wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please don't forget to show me some love by giving me some thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.